Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification question. You are asked to configure a secure and dedicated connection between your on-premises data center and your Google Cloud VPC for a latency-sensitive application. Your solution must also support high throughput. Which option should you choose? A. Use Cloud CDN and increase throughput. B. Implement Cloud VPN with a stable connection. C. Establish a VPC peering connection with the data center. D. Provision a cloud interconnect, dedicated connection. Correct answer, D. Provision a cloud interconnect, dedicated connection. Explanation. Cloud interconnect. Dedicated provides a direct physical connection between Google Cloud and on-premises infrastructure, offering the lowest latency and highest throughput, making it the best choice for such applications. Cloud VPN does provide a secure connection, but it may not offer the low latency and high throughput required for latency-sensitive applications. Cloud CDN is used for content delivery and caching. It does not create a dedicated connection between on-premises data centers and Google Cloud. VPC peering is used to connect two VPCs within Google Cloud and cannot connect an on-premises data center to a Google Cloud VPC. Keywords. Secure refers to the need for data protection and privacy, ensuring that the connection between the on-premises data center and Google Cloud VPC is safe. Dedicated connection indicates the requirement for a private network link, which is exclusively used by your organization, providing consistent network performance and possibly lower latency compared to public internet connections. On-premises data center, the physical location where your organization's IT infrastructure is housed. Latency-sensitive application suggests that the application's performance is heavily dependent on the time delay in the network. Subscribe and follow us.